ne jopuonjre mag KICC School. Githinji Hinga jaloch tuke mag chess motis ni KICC Rapid Chess Tournament bang' tieke thuolo mokwongo gi points 6. Hinga nolo James Panchol mano tieke thuolo mar 2 ka thuolo mar 3 nokaw gi jatugo Dennis Kalati ma duto ne nitiere gi points 6. Victor Ngani kaachiel gi Deng Kangor no tieke thuolo mar 4 gi 5 kaluwore. E kidieny mar wakeini Joyce Ndiragu no bedo jaloch bang' yudo points 5 kidieny mano ywayo jotugo maromo 70. Shilalia Grace noyudo points 4.5 kendo tieke thuolo mar 2 e kinde ma Arian Ngani nokaw thuolo mar 3 gi points 4.
You know, it's like riding a bike, so you don't much forget much, but I'm happy to be back to play and win a tournament after 2 years, more or less off. For me, it's my love, it's my passion, so I'm more than happy that I managed to be top place. It was a tough field, so it's a good one to have.
When you look at the town center, you'll find that they do not have a space where they could come and enjoy, have activities. That's why we are opening up KICC to have other events. Apart from mice-related events, we want to have fun days for our kids. We want them to come and play. We want to have face painting, bouncing castles. We want to have all sorts of events that can attract a family to come to KICC.